for those who are at home and suffering, I would say definitely don't rely on all these घरेलू नुस्खे. You will get some relief with clove oil, but I would not recommend it because vicious cycle अशें आसा की तुम्ही clove oil लायलें, रातान दुखलें, clove oil लायलें, न्हिदले तुम्ही. Next morning you have forgotten.
Correct.
You have gone about your regular day until another 2-3 days when again you have pain.
Correct.
Eventually it reaches a point where you will finally have some form of infection.
Correct.
And the intervention आमकां कितें करपाक जाय ट्रीटमेंटाचे आमी planning करता is going to be a more invasive as compared to it could be something very simple to start with. And I would also want to add की दात आणि हाड that is bone जे दातात support करता खूपशे दुयेंस जावं शकता. So it's not necessary that it's always to do with a cavity. Cavity is the most common, but there can be other types of diseases ते तुमकां जावं शकता. समज cyst आसा, tumor आसा, ते हाडाचे भितर आसा. And now if you're experiencing pain, your clove oil is not the solution or any of these home remedies. So often patients आमचे कडे येता where they have tried multiple things and the situation has become more complicated than it was as simple as तुम्ही येऊन मागीर आमकां दाखवून we can give you a diagnosis.
Correct.